In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check AI credit usage in ClickUp step by step. If you're using ClickUp AI and want to track how many credits are being used, who is using them, and make sure you stay within your plan limits, this video is exactly for you. This is especially useful for team admins, workspace owners, and anyone managing costs in ClickUp. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser and log into your ClickUp account using your workspace credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where ClickUp AI is enabled, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Once you're logged in and inside your ClickUp dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. From here, locate and click on the AI option in the left panel. This section is where ClickUp centralizes everything related to AI features, including usage insights and logs. After clicking on AI, you'll be taken to the ClickUp AI overview area. Now, the next step is to access detailed usage data. To do that, click on Audit Logs. The Audit Log section allows you to track activity related to ClickUp AI, including when AI tools are used and how often. Once you're inside the Audit Logs page, look for the option labeled See AI Usage. Go ahead and click on See AI Usage. This will open up a detailed view showing your AI credit usage. Here, you can see how many AI credits have been consumed, usage trends over time, and in some cases, which actions or users are contributing to the usage. This is extremely helpful if you're monitoring limits, managing team usage, or planning an upgrade. Take a moment to review the data so you fully understand how ClickUp AI is being used across your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully checked your AI credit usage in ClickUp using the built-in AI audit and usage tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.